Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete full of energy quest in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the quest from Mrs. Joan and it says feed the cat energy fish jerky. And I got this quest after I unlocked level 4 in cat caring hobby and I got the fish jerky. Okay, now let's try to complete this quest. I'm going to click on this icon on my cat and you can see the fish jerky right here guys. And when I click on this menu or this feature, it always said energy full. And I'm going to show you how we can fix the full energy before you feed the cat. You're going to play with the cat first. Okay, I'm gonna play with the cat. Okay, and let me pause this step guys, and I'll be right back after I finished playing with my cat. Okay, finish, and I'm going to click on confirm. And now let's feed the cat energy fish jerky. Click on this icon and I'm going to click on this menu, and as you can see now we can feed the cat fish jerky. Okay, and I got 500 gold. Okay guys, and that's how we can complete the full up energy quest in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.